Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing, keeps closing on the application of Pinterest. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we search about Pinterest and we click here. In this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.